Okay, back to business. Here's the vacuum itself. There's a motor in here. There's this knob that there's 2 different speeds and an off position. You plug it in here. This thing connects up to this Leaf backpack. There are also 3 different versions of this. This is the plug-in version with the metal fan. There's a plug-in version with a plastic fan. There's also a battery-powered version. Don't get it. Cordless sounds nice in this situation, but it just doesn't have the juice to perform the way you'd expect it to. So get one of these. Since this is an output and this is an input, there is a way to reverse these two so that you essentially set this up as a leaf blower. Yeah, in terms of its core purpose in life, it works pretty good. As long as the leaves are dry. It can get clogged if you vacuum up branches, because then the leaves get stuck to the branches, congeal into a clump. Most of the time you can shake it out. No big deal. When it's time to empty it out, disconnect the hose, dump out the bag. You just unclip this end. You now have a very shredded, compressed, mulched pile of leaves. I hope this was useful. See you in the next one.